In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can delete useless apps from your Android phone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to delete useless apps from your Android phone, what you need to do is you need to swipe up and then you want to tap onto settings. Once you're on the main page of settings, you want to scroll down on your settings until you get to device care. You can see there's device care right there. What you want to do is tap onto device care. Okay, once you're on the device care page, you can see there it says battery and then storage. You want to tap onto storage, and from here you want to scroll down and there you'll see a section there that says unused apps. Tap onto unused apps and you can see I have Telegram, Zoom, Edge. So for an example, if you want to delete an app that you're not using, for an example Uber, you can select that one and there you'll see the uninstall button. So simply just hit on to uninstall and that will uninstall the app. If you would like to delete all of these, you can. So if you would like to delete all the useless or unused apps on your phone, you can see there at the top left that says all. That's going to go and select them all, and there you'll be able to see it says uninstall all, and then you can go ahead and uninstall all of them. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.